Hey everyone, welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel.
This video is created by AI. I just give it few lines and it's create an AI video from just text. How it's awesome. But wait, how I created this video? Let's see. This is the platform. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box, so you can see here create AI video just from text. You simply click on try for free. And here you create account with the help of your email ID. So I already created account. I just sign in to my account, and you can see here this is the actual interface of this website. And here you find videos, template, create avatar, avatars library, and deleted videos, many more things. But in this video we create a blank video, and here you can see here create a blank video. So simply click on create, and this is the main editor. And in the corner you are able to see avatar option, so click on it, and here you have multiple AI generated avatars. So now I select randomly, so I select this one. Now this is the main features. This is text to speech, speech to text. So here you can add a speech, so I simply write here. Welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel. So now here you select languages. There are multiple languages are available, so I simply select the common one. This is English US, so you can simply apply voice, click on it. Now using this option you also change the background color of slide, and here the multiple options are available, just like avatar, text, element, uploads, record. So you also check out this all option. But in this video we also see the how this platform generate an AI avatar with the voice. So all set, we select an AI avatar, and we also give it a speech. It's known as Welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel. Now you can see here render option, but wait, I forgot something. And here you also give your video name. I just write here AI video. Now all set, everything is fine. So, and you can see here there are multiple dimensions are available. Now how to download this video in our file manager? So you can see here the render option, so click on it, and you can see here video duration is 3 seconds and minutes available 13 seconds, because we use it free, and there are a criteria of certain minutes or second for using free. And you can click here start render, so it takes some time, and you can see here the video will be ready in about 1 minute. Now you come to home page, and you can see here the videos tab, so click on it, and you can see here this is a recently video. So you simply click on these three dots and click on download. You can see here download successfully. Now open it.
Welcome to Work with Technology YouTube channel.